Hello guys, this is Chewy again. Today I will show you how to open your tablet or to boot your tablet if your power button is broken. So as you see here, this is my power button and this is my volume keys. Now I'll show you that my power button is not working. So as you see guys, it's not working. So to boot your tablet, first you have to open your tablet. So I will open my tablet. Okay. So guys, this is my power button. And as you see, this cover is broken. That's why it's not working. Here, see? Now, remove it or just flip it until you see the bronze in the power button. And the next thing you will do is you need a scissor. If you have any scissor in your house, you can use it. Then put the other side in any part of your board. So I will put it here, and the other side is here in the power button. So I will show you now. I put it here and put it in or connect it in power button. See guys, it's working now. Okay guys, I will use a resistor to repair my power button. You can use any kind of resistor if you have resistors, but if you don't have, you can use any kind of a metal wire. So but don't use a copper wire because it will not work. I tried it and it's not working. So okay guys, let's start. Okay guys, I already set up the resistor at my board to the power button. So as you see guys, it in sleep mode. So if I click the Y here and tap to the power button, it should open. Okay guys, that's how it works. Okay guys, as you see, I secured it using the electrical tape and if you can see, there's a wire here to connect to the power button. So this is close or slip. Then if I click this, turned on. Okay, so now guys, I put back the cover, and this is my power button. So if I click it, see guys, it's working again. So that's it guys. Again guys, I used resistor for the safety purpose, because resistor can resist heat. That's why I used it. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe me and my YouTube channel for more useful info. Thank you and goodbye.